Hi, Rita. Okay, so I'm going to walk through what MindTap is, and that's what they're asking for. I'd sent a couple videos in the past, but I know that there's always so much going on, so you may have missed those. But the book in the bookstore is bundled with MindTap, and also students are probably asking for it because to include your course in a subscription, because we do have that subscription program, they need a MindTap access code so that they can include the course. So I'm in actually your instructor resource center, and here's the MindTap portal. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you what I'm doing here so that you can see it, and then you can actually use it as a required piece of class if you want to in the spring. I'm just going to say MindTap CAM with ebook. There is an ebook in there, so we want students to know that. I'm going to give it a start date of just today. Students also are able to get 2 weeks of free access when you give them the course code, which I'm going to do, or I've provided in the email. So all I've done is that quick um, uh, create the course. And now here's the email instructions that I have given you. The course key, they would just use this URL to plug into their browser and get into the course. But I want to show you what MindTap looks like now so that you can at least see what they're seeing. And I'm going to actually put everything into practice mode that you see. So MindTap is kind of an ebook with lots of added resources, including homework, videos, etc. A lot of people use it as required at Cal Poly for various classes. Others not as a piece that is an ancillary for students. So the way MindTap works is students have the same view, except that everything you see you can customize, or you could customize. And I'm going to customize all this into practice so that they don't see anything. But if I expand any chapter, I have the chapter ebook here. Then I have exploring analytics, and those will be just some various activities. We have the chapter 2 practice problems, assignment, and video. Again, this does count towards grade, but this will be labeled as practice when students see it because I'm going to fix that. They have an adaptive test prep and some practice problems, and then video tutorial and the chapter index. So the chapter ebook is built within. Depending on which chapter you're in, obviously there's more or less activities, but essentially they're going to see kind of the same of assignments. Sorry, same pattern of assignments. They do have the ebook for them here. The ebook's also on this side, plus they have the ability to take notes and highlights within the ebook that go into the study hub. They can have the ebook read to them. There's a glossary, dictionary, flashcards, all kinds of great tools for them to use in the class. So I'm gonna cap it at this. So I'm just showing you what MindTap is. If you'd like to actually use it perhaps in the spring with the spring course, we can get into more training and I can show you more detail because again, everything that is here within the learning path is customizable. You can put due dates and available dates, change weights, hide things you don't want to use, etc. Even add your own. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, just feel free to give that URL to the students or the course key, and they'll pretty much know what to do with it. If you and you're free to give them my email address if they have any questions. All right, have a great day.